Hey, here we are. It's the blizzard of 2010. Man, it's cold as balls here. Look, there's accidents all over the place. The snow is ass deep. People are having accidents all over. Look at it. It's ridiculous. I've never seen it like this in Ocean City. People are stuck. The movies is open. OC Fire Department pushing people out of ditches. Restaurants and bars are closed. Come to Ponzetti. Lauren will take care of you. Get a nice hot toddy. That's where I'm headed. Give me a drink. Give me something. I need something nice. Here we are. Lauren, I need a drink. God.
Yeah, cold beers and
All right. Oh my God. It's delicious. Thank you, Lauren.